Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to look back at pandas. So last time we learned how to look and see if, to stumble across if there were more than one sheet in an Excel file. Well, that was, we were just grasping at straws. Well, I'm going to show you a definite 100% way to know and check, and it is with a ExcelFile object. So let's just jump into it. Okay, so this is why this is so important. If you're new here, thanks for joining us. Make sure you're clicking that subscribe button and the notification bell, because we have videos like this coming out all the time. So let's put this into memory and we'll go from there. So what the ExcelFile object does is it treats it like a file object, just like everything else that we're used to. So let's just look at it. So pd.excelFile. Alright. So here we go. Data frame object. Input, output, file like object. Okay, so we know how to do this. So let's read this in and pd.excelFile, and then we're just going to pass it the file name. Let's close that out. Let's run this. Okay. Boom, our pandas object. Now let's run dir on file. Okay, so we have our input, our book, close, sheet names. File dot sheet names. There we go. Or file dot sheet names. Of course, that goes like this. So now not only do I have the length, I also have the sheet names. So let's just do this another way. Let's move this over here so we can see it. Sheet name equals, it takes a string, it is a string, helps if you spell right. Now this is also very important. Look right here, file.io. Boom. So I can literally change this to file.io. File.io. Run this. And lo and behold, here we go. So now you know how to turn a file, and you can do this where we could do a loop and go through if, maybe that's what we'll do maybe next time and a few times about checking. But next pandas video, we are going to look and see how to merge these and put these into one. There's actually two ways that we can do it, but we are going to learn the two ways of how to merge Panda, taking an Excel sheet with multiple sheets and turning it into one data frame. That's your little hint. So there we go, guys. Real quick video today. So please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.